What's good, my peoples? Okay, just give me a moment of your time, right? Let me just tell you what I do, and you decide on that, right? Either you like it or you don't, right? You can tune out at any time, but just give me a quick moment just to explain myself. So, what I do is I help people maintain, right? Let me explain what I mean when I say maintain. Because a lot of times we chasing, like, let's take a person who's trying to lose weight, right? I need to lose 50 pounds. I need to lose 20 pounds, right? I'm trying to get in shape. Or a person that's, I'm trying to build some muscle, I'm trying to get bigger, or I'm trying to lose some muscle, right? Or you take a person that's like, okay, I like my job, but I do want to get better so I can get a promotion, so I can make more money, right? Or maybe one day I want to start this business, right? Or or maybe it's just a parent that wants to be better, that wants to show their kid more attention, or or a wife or a husband that just want to be better, more alert, right? That's what I do. I help people maintain, right? And when I say that, what we're going to do is we're going to start to understand the lifestyle you in now, right? And then we're going to build that safe net that allows you to just be consistent, that allows you to just be level, right? Maintain. Because that's what life is about. Life is about maintaining what you have, not gaining at a hyper speed, not losing at a fast speed, right? It's more about creating that balance, maintaining your lifestyle, like maintaining your weight. Because a lot of times, let's just take weight. Like we want to, we get to the shape that we want to be, right? The hardest thing is not losing the weight. The hardest thing is maintaining the weight that you have lost. We can starve ourselves out. We can go to the gym 30 days in a row. Like, we can lose the weight. Now, is it going to be easy? No, I'm not saying it's going to be easy. But that's not the hardest part, because that is just short term, right? When you lose weight, typically, you lose it 6 months and under, right? That's a very short time. What about the next 6 years? What are you going to do? I help people maintain. We're going to create greatness, and you're going to maintain it for the rest of your life, which is going to allow you to continue to grow, right? Because when you maintain, you grow. Because you're not chasing that, I have to correct something, I have to make it better, right? Because in life, right, we all have days that we go through. Within those days, we must start to become aware, right, of what's going on so we know what to build. And then on top of that awareness, you need to start to understand, right? So you can make sure you implement it the right way. Just because you build it, don't mean you're going to implement it the right way. And when you understand and you implement it the right way, guess what? You're going to control and live your life every day, right? You're going to be able to. Because when you control it, you live it. Life is just so much better. Life is so much happier. And it's all about creating that balance and maintaining what you got so you can build on it a lot easier. We don't want that monkey on our back all the time weighing us down, because that's what's happening. And then we crawl out of that hole, and then we tired, and we just feel a little defeated because we didn't reach higher heights. We just got back to the start point. Let's stop and start. Let's create that balance, right? Start learning how to maintain the life we have in order to grow. So that's what I do. That's what I do. I help people maintain. So if you're getting ready to, do this super diet, right? And you know that I need to maintain it, or you already did that diet, and you want to maintain what you got, or you want that workout plan where you can maintain what you got, or if your finances, you know what they are, or you want to know what they are, so you can maintain them and grow. Self mental. If you want to learn how to maintain and stop going into those more depressed and anxiety states, I will show you how to maintain your lifestyle no matter what it is, because the formula is simply the same. It's nothing different that you have to do for the rest of your life. And the system is going to be created by you with my help, right? Because I always say we all unique like DNA. So it all takes this special moment for each of us, our moment, to create what we need for us, right? Not them, not they, but for us, because we are unique. I'm not the same as my wife. You're not the same as your wife, your girlfriend, your boyfriend, whoever. You're not the same. So why not create something for you? Because your lifestyle is your lifestyle. And if you are ready to start to learn how to maintain your lifestyle, then click the link, hit me up, join that waiting list, and when a spot open, we will contact you. And you too can start to learn how to maintain. But in the meantime, when you click that link, you join the link, hit us up. At any time you can hit us up. We will do our best to get back to you. And when a spot is available for you, you can start to learn how to maintain your lifestyle and become balanced. So that's all I got. Click the link, join the waiting list, hit me up in the meantime, and let's start to learn how to maintain.